Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT3 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on our phone. Of course, the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now, tap on the devices icon, then select your HUAWEI Watch GT3 from the list of devices. And on this page, scroll down, find the watch faces category. If you're missing this category, it could be because when you turned on the application, the Huawei Health application for the first time, you were asked to select the region you are in. And if you selected a region that doesn't support the features, you won't have them. So you might try to reinstall the app, select a different region, and that hopefully will fix your problem. For example, I'm pretty sure if you select the United States, you won't have the watch faces and app gallery, and I selected the United Kingdom and I have the watch faces and the app gallery. So you need to select different region, log in into an account, and then you should have both of the features. Okay, so once you find the watch faces, tap on the More option, and this will open the watch face store. And here we can see the recommended. As you can see, we have a lot of watch faces. As you can see, also we need to pay for them, but I'm just gonna find the free category selected, and here we have the ones that we can install for free. Now, find the watch face you like to use, tap on it to select it, and here we have a little info about the watch face, the categories, also recommended watch faces, as you can see. Now, to install the watch face, tap on the install button and wait until it's done installing. And after it's done, it's gonna be applied on our watch. You can also install watch faces by just simply tapping the install button right here on this page. So for example, I want to install, let's say this one. You simply tap the install button and it's gonna start installing. Okay. Also, you can check what kind of watch faces you installed. So you can go back to watch faces category, tap on mine, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And you can also remove them if you want to. So if you have too many, you can tap on one, tap on the pen icon to remove it. Then tap on OK, like that. And basically that's how you install the additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.